औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वसल्लल्लाहु अला नबील करीम। ऐ मेरे रब, मेरे सीने को मेरे लिए खोल दे, मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे, मेरी ज़बान की गिरा खोल दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझें। Today I would like to say on who is the believer. Who is the believer? What Quran says, what are the qualities of a believer? I will be quoting certain verse numbers as well as I will be reading certain verses. So please make a note of them. That would be better to verify and to see it and again whether as a believer we possess the same quality or not what Quran invites us to have. The believers are those who, number one, do not accept information on faith, critically evaluate it with the reason and senses. 1736. Number two, ask the experts if they do not know. 1643. Use intelligence, reason and historical precedents to understand and carry out God's commands. 7:179, 8:22, 10:100, 12:111, 3:137. Number four, do not dogmatically follow the status quo and traditions. Are open to new ideas. 22:1, 26:5, 38:7. Are open-minded and promote freedom of expression, listen to all views and follow the best. 39:18. Number 6, do not follow conjecture. 10:36, 10:66, 53:28. Number 7, study God's creation in the heaven and land, explore the beginning of the creation. 2:164, 3:190, 29:20. Number 8, attain knowledge since it is the most valuable thing in their appreciation of God. 3:18, 13:13, 29:43, 49. Number 9, are free individual, do not follow crowds and are not afraid of crowds. 212, 554, 550, 569, 1062, 39:36, 46:13. Number 10, do not follow the religion of your parents or your nation blindly. 616, 12:103, 12:112. Number 11, do not make profit by sharing God's message with others. 690, 36:21, 26:109, 26180. Number 12. Read in order to know and they read critically. 96:1, 1 to 5, 55, 1 to 4. Number 13. Do not ignore divine revelation and signs. 2573. Number 14. Do not mix the main point by indulging in a small and inconsequential details. 267, 271, 5101 and 102, 2267. Number 15. Hold their judgments if they do not have sufficient information. Do not rush into siding with opposition. 114. Number 16. Speak the truth. Do not lie. Although do not lie. That is 8, ayat number 7, 2572, 3370, 1270 and 1281. Number 17. Are kind and forgiving. 4240, 4243. Number 18. Are active, dynamic, creative and courageous people. 230, 234, 475 to 477, 1528, 1530. Number 19. Are not egoistic and proud. 2543, 1737. Number 20. Are steadfast and humble. 31, 17, 18. Number 21. And they are brave. 33, 23. 22. Do not lose hope. Are optimistic. 1287, 3953. 23. Walk humbly on earth, and when harassed by the ignorant people, they ignore the harassers and dignitily and respond them by saying peace. 2572, 2963. 24. Hold firmly to principles, but are flexible in method. 267 to 271, 2142, 3103, 554, 2267. Are proud of their accomplishments and are not saddened by their losses. 5723. Seek unity, not divisions. Do not divide themselves due to jealousy. 3103, 6159, 614, 4214. Point 27, that is, put moral consideration uppermost, but do not disregard their dues, material interest. 2877. 28. Fulfill promises. Fulfill promises. 1734. Item 29. Eat and drink moderately and avoid intoxicants and gambling. 731. 219. Item number 30. Dress decently. 2430-31. Item number 31. Do not ridicule or mock one another. 4911. Absent from vain talk. 23:4. Item 33. Do not discriminate based on gender and race. They know that superiority is only through God's consciousness. 49:13. Are loyal to what they have been entrusted and keep their pledges. 23:29. Treat everyone with civility and give greeting to all. 283, 28:55, 43:89, 4:86. Item 36. Do not escape from problems, but rather actively focus on problems to solve them equitably, even if the solution requires a fight. 49:9. Avoid suspicions, spying and backbiting among the monotheists. Seek peace since they are only brothers and sisters. 49:9, 10, 11, 12. 38. Do not follow monarchs, princes, amirs, sultans, maulvis, pandits, except when they are forced. Obey those who are in charge among themselves, and when they dispute in any matter, they refer it to God and the messenger. 4:59. Item 39. Are the party of God. 58:22. Do not aggress, but defend themselves against the aggression. 7:33, 42:39. Serve God alone and do not associate partner in His authority. 17:22, 17:23. Dedicate themselves to God alone. They do not kill unjustly and do not commit adultery. 29:68. Believe in God and living righteously. 2:262, 2:62 and 2:112. Love God, the truth more than anything else. 5:54, 9:23. Do not fear mankind, but fear God alone. 5:54, 33, 37, 39. Maintain their commitments with God. 23:10. Repent for their sins. 29:70. Respect and honor their parents. 17:23-24. Love their spouse and treat them with care and compassion. 30:21. Give charity to relatives, the poor, and towards public welfare. 9:60, 17:26. Practice consultation to solve social and political problems. 42:36. Act justly, do not commit evil, and rule according to God's law, that is justice, truth, and mercy. 4:58, 4:135, 5:8, 7:28, 7:29, 5:44. Do not turn their cheeks arrogantly from the people, nor roam the earth insolently, since they know that God does not like the arrogant show-offs. 31:18, 57:23. Obey just leader, respect, honors, and support them, but they do not idolize them. 54, 59, 33, 56, 9:30, 9:31. Do not practice bribery and corruption. 2:188. Do not practice usury, but they practice charity. 2:275 and 280. Give charity in moderation. 29:26. Are honest and fair in financial and economic dealings. 6:152. Do not bear false witnesses. 29:71. Are not extravagant and wasteful, nor do they stingy. 17:26. Save lives and do not kill except in the cause of justice. 17:33. Respond equally, but they know that the forgiveness is the best route. 2:179. Do not endure the properties of orphans. 1734. Enter into marriage with those who acknowledge, do not marry polytheists, and they do not commit adultery. 5:5, 23, 5:5, 23, 6 and 7, 30:21, 17:32. Enjoin good and forbid evil. 3:104. Hasten to the righteous work. 3:114. Are active towards betterment. 23:5. Support each other in the cause of God. 8:74. Raise knowledgeable people in the society in order to learn the laws. 9:122. Cooperate and help each other in good work. Do not cooperate in evil work. 5:2. Fight in the cause of justice and truth with their wealth and their lives. 4:75, 911. Promote legal education. 9:122. Preserve in any good effort and do not fear to face difficulties and hardship. Success comes only after hardship. 2:45, 2:177, 94, 5-8. Fight for the rights of those who are oppressed. 4:75. Seek peace. Seek peace. 2:208, 4, where is that? Yeah, 490, 861, 2:208. Are progressive. 15:24. Reform themselves and are reformers. 6:58, 6:54, 7:35, 7:142, 11:117, 12:101, 21:72, and 21:105. These are certain attributes of a believer, which the Quran says, who are the believers? Who are the believers? I think I don't need much to talk about it now. Listen it many times. Go to the numbers and open the book and read the ayats. Make a scale of 1 to 10 of yourself. Rate it on that. That is what God needs from you. In the rose of judgment, in the day of judgment, God will see whether a person who is standing in front of him, does he possess these are the qualities are there or not. There are many others. This is not the end. This is some of the few what I have quoted you. So apply your senses. See what book wants out of you. Use your senses. God says at the day of judgment, your ear, your eye, your heart, He will question them. So this is very essential. This is a very sad part on our Muslim community, that whatever they may be doing it, if the doing doesn't produce these qualities, then what is the sense of doing it? So these are certain points what I have made in my personal reading of the Quran. Certain notes were there, so I thought that I will just give you this information, though it may be a little boring to hear because it's not in a form of a speech or anything, and I am a very poor speaker, all you know that, but please bear with me. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.